we gonna make it for 383 calories and 33 grams of protein. Now, one of the most harmful things that you can do if you're on a fitness journey is to burn yourself out. Now, all that this means is that you've been doing your same routine for a while and you've been getting kind of bored. Now, at this point, what I like to do is I like to add some more variety and fun into my routine for a little bit to just switch things up. So sometimes it's playing basketball with my friends, other times it's swimming, or even maybe some tennis. Anything that you can do to make it feel like fun is what's gonna help you overcome burnout. Welcome to Hunk's Kitchen, where we make all your favorite foods low calorie and high protein to help you on your fitness journey. I'm Lance Alexander, and on today's menu, we're gonna be making banana bread. Now, we all love banana bread. It's nice and warm and gooey, but we all kind of know it doesn't really have that much nutritional value. But here at Hunk's Kitchen, we gonna change that. We gonna make it for 383 calories and 33 grams of protein. So this is actually one of my favorite snacks to make at home because somehow I always have fruit that's about to go bad. So don't judge a book by its cover. If you guys have those bananas that are about to go bad, this is a perfect snack and recipe to have sitting around for the family to try it out and maybe introduce them to a new healthy recipe. Alright guys, so first things first, I've already got my banana mashed together. We're already good to go with that. It's kind of already mashed a little bit too much, but that was my trial and error. Okay, so now we've also got our breading. So this is a great option, guys. This is actually Kodiak protein mix, and what it is, it's a great protein pancake mix. So you can use it for so many different things. It's so versatile. So we're gonna go ahead and put that right in there. And then next we've also got our egg here. So we're just gonna be doing one egg. And this is gonna kind of get our liquid for the recipe. In a way, we're not going to be using any water. And then we've also got our protein powder. Now this is chocolate protein powder that I'm using. You can actually use any protein powder that you want, but this is a great option. I love it. It's Premier Protein. I pretty much use it for all my recipes. Alrighty, and then we've also got our cinnamon. Now this is going to add that kind of spice, the little tangy sweetness that we all love, and then we're going to mix it all together, and it's going to taste pretty great. Alright, let's check it out. So the key with our mix is we want to make sure that our mix is entirely declumped. And what I mean by that is we want to make sure we mash our banana up really, really well at the start. And then we want to make sure we're really mixing in the ingredients so we don't have any powder anywhere in our mix. And now what we're going to be doing is transferring our mix to our glassware. Now with this oil, I want to be clear. We are not going crazy spraying this oil. This is just to make sure that the banana bread doesn't stick to the glassware. So you're going to be very, very non-generous with it. So we're going to take it, and then we're just going to do about 2 sprays, right? And then we're going to spread it all around, and then we're going to transfer it right into the glassware. So you can see me taking it here. Alright, I don't even gotta say it because y'all already know the drill. We don't use no oven mitts around here. Let's go.